Hi guys, my name is Ethan Keever, Cool Guy Awesome, food reviews. Alright, the Subway Footlong cookie. And I'm going to do it off, I'm going to show you on camera. You see this? Look at this. Look at this baby. Alright, take it out. Ooh, and I got the peppermint one. I got the peppermint chocolate footlong cookie, so let's try it. Break it in pieces. It's a lot to eat, so don't. Alright. These are pretty good. Christmas. Pretty good. They're pretty good. Try these, guys. Buy them now before they run out. Alright, guys. Buy these footlong holiday version of these footlong cookies. Buy them now. Buy these now before they run out by 19 days before Christmas. So, get them now when they're still on sale. Get them now when they're still here, when they're still making them. Alright, guys. Like, subscribe, and more. And favorite, and more. I'll make more videos just like these ones. I'll make more videos just like this. So, Merry Christmas. I love y'all. Happy holidays, guys. Bye. Bye. Happy holidays. Love you. Bye.